Today I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks on Fiverr gigs. This is particularly useful when you want to present your work more professionally without any branding overlays on your gig images. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options for managing your account. Look for the option that says My Business and click on it. This section is your central hub for managing your professional presence on Fiverr. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to a page displaying all of your active and paused gigs, giving you an overview of your current offerings. From the list of gigs displayed on your screen, click on the specific gig you want to edit. This will open up the detailed settings page for that particular gig where you can make various modifications to how your service is presented to potential buyers. Once you're inside the gig editor, scan through the available options until you locate the setting labeled Activate Watermark. This feature is designed to add a Fiverr watermark to your gig images as a form of protection, but you may prefer to showcase your work without it for a cleaner, more professional appearance. Simply toggle this option off. By doing this, you're removing the watermark from your gig images, allowing your work to be displayed in its original form without any additional branding. And there you have it. You've successfully removed watermarks from your Fiverr gig, giving your portfolio a more polished and professional look that better represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.